In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change saved password in Microsoft Edge. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. This process works best on the latest version of Edge, so if things look a little different on your screen, you may just be on a slightly different build. With the browser open, head to the top right corner and click the three dots. That opens the main menu where you can access all of Edge's tools and preferences. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the hub where all your browser preferences live. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Passwords and Autofill, and select it. This is where Edge stores your saved sign-ins, along with other autofill details like addresses and payment info. We're focusing on the Saved Passwords area. Now, find the website whose password you want to update. You can scroll through the list if you don't have many, or save time by using the search bar at the top. Type the site's name or its web address, and you'll see matching entries. If you notice multiple entries for a site, pick the one you actually use. Sometimes duplicates happen if a site has multiple sign-in pages. When you open the saved entry to make changes, Edge will prompt you to verify it's really you. You'll see a Windows security prompt asking for your device's PIN or your Windows account password. This is a normal security step designed to protect your stored credentials. Enter your PIN or password to continue. Once unlocked, you can edit the password field. Type the new password exactly as it is on the website. This is important. Updating a saved password in Edge does not change your password on the website itself. It simply updates what Edge remembers. If you recently changed your password on the site, make sure what you enter here matches that change. If you haven't changed it on the site yet, do that first, then update it in Edge to keep everything in sync. After you've entered the new password, click Done or Save. Edge will store the update immediately. The next time you visit that site and go to sign in, Edge should autofill your new password. If you use Edge on multiple devices and have syncing turned on, the updated password will follow you across those devices automatically. That's it. You've successfully updated a saved password in Microsoft Edge. Keeping your saved passwords current helps avoid sign-in issues and maintains a smoother, more secure browsing experience.